आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, the given question is let a plane ax plus by plus cz plus 1 is equal to 0 where a, b, c are the parameters. Make an angle 60 degree with the line x is equal to y is equal to z, 45 degree with the line x is equal to y minus z is equal to 0 and theta with the plane x is equal to 0. The distance of the plane from point 2, 1, 1 is 3 units. Find the value of theta and the equation of the plane. Let's start with the solution. So if we denote the plane as P1, then we have plane P1 equation as ax plus by plus cz plus 1 is equal to 0. And if we denote normal vector of P1 as n1 vector, then n1 vector equation is ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Now it is given that this plane makes an angle 60 degree with the line x is equal to y is equal to z. So we can write line 1 equation as x by 1 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 1. So we can write the direction ratios of x. This line is 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now as it has been given that this line make angles, that a plane makes angle 60 degree with the line. So as we know that if we assume a plane, then if we assume a plane and if plane makes an angle theta with line, then it will make pi by 2 minus theta with normal vector. Then the line will make pi by 2 minus theta angle with normal vector. So we will get sine theta is equal to, so it will make sine 60, as it has been given that it will make 60 degree with the line, then it will make 30 degree with the normal vector. So we have cos pi by 2 minus 60 degree is equal to, means cos 90 degree minus 60 degree is equal to normal vector. Cos 90 degree minus 60 degree is equal to a vector, normal vector, n vector dot, and if we denote this line as this direction ratios as a vector, that is we have a vector as I cap j plus j cap plus k cap, then cos 90 degree minus 60 degree is equal to n vector dot a vector, or we can say p vector. If we denote, as we have a variable as a, so we can write it as p vector. So we have n vector dot p vector by magnitude of n vector p vector. So we will get in the next step cos 30 degree is equal to n vector is ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, and p vector is I cap plus j cap plus k cap by magnitude of n. Normal vector is root on a square plus b square plus c square, and normal vector of p vector is root under 1 plus 1 plus 1. So as cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, so we will get root 3 by 2 is equal to dot product of ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap into dot into I cap plus j cap plus k cap will give us a plus b plus c by root under a square plus b square plus c square into root 3. So we will get, taking root 3 to LHS, we will get 3 into root under a square plus b square plus c square, means we have taken all the denominator term of RHS to LHS, and taking denominator LHS to RHS, we will get 3 root under a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c. Now similarly we have been given and marking this equation as equation number 1. Now similarly we have been given that this plane make angle 45 degree with the line x is equal to y minus z is equal to 0. So x is equal to line 2 equation, x is equal to y minus z is equal to 0. So we can write this equation as x by 0 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 1. And if we denote this line direction ratios at q vector, we have q vector is equal to j cap plus k cap. Now it has been given that this plane makes angle 45 degree with the line, so we have, then it will make then L2 makes angle 45 degree, 90 degree minus 45 degree with normal vector of plane P1, with normal vector of plane P1. So we can use the formula cos 45 degree is equal to n vector dot q, sorry, not magnitude, it will be n vector dot q vector by magnitude of n vector by magnitude of n vector and magnitude of q vector. So we will get cos 45 degree, as we have n vector as ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap and q vector as j cap plus k cap by magnitude of a and normal vector is root under a square plus b square plus c square, and magnitude of q vector is 1 plus 1. So we, as cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, we will get 1 by root 2 into b plus c, dot product of numerator part will give us b plus c root under a square plus b square root under a square plus b square plus c square root under 2. Cancelling out root 2 from both sides of denominator, we will get root under a square plus b square plus c square is equal to b plus c, and marking this equation as equation number 2. Now it has been given in the equation that this plane makes an angle theta with the plane x is equal to 0. So this plane makes an angle theta with plane P. If we assume that P2 plane as equation x is equal to 0, then its normal vector will be n cap n2, and its normal vector is denoted by n2 vector. Then we have n2 vector as ax, n2 vector as I cap, n2 vector as I cap, and it has been given that P1 makes angle theta with P2. So we can say that same angle will be between the normal vector of P1. N1 vector makes angle theta is with normal vector of P2, that is n2 vector. So now we can write cos theta is equal to n1 vector dot n2 vector by magnitude of n1 vector by into n2 vector. So as we have n1 vector, as we have cos theta is equal to n1 vector as ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap dot n2 vector as I cap by magnitude of n1 vector is root under a square plus b square plus c square, and n2 vector magnitude is root under 1. So we will get cos theta is equal to a by root under a square plus b square plus c square, a by root under a square plus b square plus c square, marking this equation as equation number 3. Now from equation 1 and 2 we have, from equation 1 and 2 we have 3a square. From equation 1 we have 3 root under a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2a plus b plus c, 2a plus b plus c, and from equation 2 we have root under a square plus b square plus c square is equal to b plus c, So this is from equation from 1 and this is from 2. So now in equation from, if we substitute the equation 2 in 1, we will have 3 root under a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2a plus 2 into b plus c. Means if we substitute b plus c as root under a square plus b square plus c square, we will get 2a plus 2 root under a square plus b square plus c square, and taking 2 root under a square plus b square plus c square to LHS, we will get root under a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2a. Taking a square of both or we can write that if we take, we can write a by root under a square plus b square. If you divide by 2 root under both sides, if you divide by 2 root under a square plus b square plus c square, we will get a by root under a square plus b square plus c square equal to half. Marking this equation as equation number 4 and substituting this value in equation 3, we will get cos theta is equal to half, as we have cos theta is equal to a by root under a square plus b square plus c square, and from equation 4 we have this value as half, so we get cos theta is equal to half and theta is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Now in the question we have been given that the distance of the plane from point 2, 1, 1 is 3 units. So if we denote distance as d, then we have d is equal to 2a plus b plus c plus 1, as we have equation of plane P1 as ax plus by plus cz plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have 2a plus b plus c plus 1 by root under the equation of the coefficient, it will be the magnitude of d is plane is root under a square plus b square plus c square, and it has been given that d is equal to 3. So we have d3 is equal to mod of 2a plus b plus c plus 1 by root under a square plus b square plus c square. So we have two possible cases, that is either taking positive sign or negative sign. So we have plus minus 3 root under a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2a plus b plus c plus 1. Now from equation 1, we have 3 root under a square plus b square is equal to 2a plus b plus c. Substituting this value, if we take positive sign, now for positive sign we are taking case 1, that is we are taking 3 root under a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2a plus b plus c plus 1. So we will get 2 into a plus b plus c is equal to 2a plus b plus c is plus 1. We will get 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 2a plus b plus c plus 1. Cancelling out 2a from both sides, we will get b plus c is equal to 1. B plus c is equal to 1. Dividing equation 1 and equation 2, that is 3 by root under a square plus b square plus c square by root under a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2a plus b plus c by b plus c. We will get cancelling out root under a square plus b square from numerator and denominator, and substituting the value of b plus c is equal to 1 from this equation, we have 2a plus 1 by 1. So we will get 3 is equal to 2a plus 2. 2a plus 2, and after solving we will get a is equal to half. After solving we will get a is equal to half. After substituting a is equal to half in the equation, 3 root under a square plus b square is equal to 2a plus b plus c plus 1, and converting c in terms of b, we will get b is equal to 2 minus plus by root 2 minus plus root 2 by 4. Similarly, we will get c is equal to 2 plus minus root 2 by 4. So for case 1, we have the equation of a plane as half x plus 2 minus plus root 2 by 4 y plus 2 plus minus root 2 by 4 z plus 1 is equal to 0. Taking LCM, we will get 2x plus 2 minus plus root 2y plus 2 plus minus root 2z plus 4 is equal to 0. And now if we take the case when this will be negative, that is minus 3 root under, if we take case 2 as minus 2 case 2 as minus 3 root under a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2a plus b plus c plus 2a plus b plus c, 2 minus 3 root under plus b square plus c square is equal to minus 2a plus b plus c plus 1. So we have from 1 we have minus 3 root under a 3 root under a square plus b square plus c square as 2 into a plus b plus c is equal to 2a plus b plus c plus 1. So after simplifying we will get minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c is equal to 2a plus b plus c plus 1. We will get 4a plus 3b plus 3c is equal plus 1 is equal to 0. And after simplifying, we will get a is equal to minus 1 by 10, b is equal to minus 2 plus minus root 2 by 20, and c is equal to minus 2 minus plus root 2 by 20. So in this case we will get the plane equation P1 as minus 1 by 10x plus minus 2 by plus minus of 2 plus minus root 2 by 20y plus minus of 2 minus plus root 2 by 20z plus 1 is equal to 0. Taking LCM we will get minus 2x minus of 2 plus minus root 2y minus 2 minus plus, it will be not plus minus, it will be minus plus, please change it out, it will minus plus root 2 plus z plus 20 is equal to 0. So hence we have find out the value of equation of the plane. We have theta is equal to 60 degree, and the equation of the plane theta is equal to 60 degree at this we have find out in this position. And we have equation of plane of two cases. In first case we have the equation of plane as 2x plus 2 minus plus root 2y plus 2 plus minus root 2y plus 4 and in the second case we have minus 2x minus 2 plus minus root 2y minus 2 minus plus root 2z plus 20 is equal to 0. Hope this answered your question.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।